Karibu tena mtazamaji, na sasa tuelekee viwanjani. Mbio za Iten Marathon zinatarajiwa kuanza Novemba 30 katika kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet kama kumbukizi ya watu 40 waliofariki kutokana na maporomoko ya ardhi. Gavana Wells Rotich amebainisha kwamba mashindano hayo yanakusudia kuhamasisha wakazi kuhusu umuhimu wa kutunza mazingira, huku yakiwapa vijana jukwaa la kuonesha vipaji vyao vya riadha.
For you to be a champion, you are either born in Elgeyo Marakwet. That is a fact. The county of champions. And if you are not lucky to have been born here, then you have another second chance. Just come and train in Elgeyo Marakwet, and for sure you will be a champion. Therefore, we want to appreciate and say all those who have been coming to Iten. There is a reason why Iten and even Elgeyo Marakwet is the best place for training. It is because of the hospitable community. We have a very good community. I'm sure you have seen that you even don't have security here. The athletes are very organized. The community are very organized. Even tomorrow when we will be running, you will see the community is very hospitable and very organized. So the people of Keio, the people of Marakwet, and the entire Kalenjin community in this region, they are usually very hospitable and they invite. That's why in this town you will get even restaurants. You will think you are in Europe. But people are just living. No one knows. Kipchoge will walk around this town. Faith will walk around this town. And no one will care. They will just say, these are our champions.
Kwingineko, mbio za